Okay, so now I've got it apart here, but this is just for all the new people that are new to automated litter robots. So my recommendation is to take it apart before you do anything, before you start loading litter into it, before you start getting it acclimated, your cat acclimated to it, before you hook up your power supply. Take it apart, see how it works, because this is going to make your first cleaning of it a lot easier because you'll know what to do and you won't have any litter or any poop or pee in there to deal with beforehand. And it's just going to make your job a lot easier with this and make it a lot funner for you and for your furry friends. So I've got mine apart here. I took off the dome, got my power supply out of the plastic there. I took out the waste drawer, and I took the little scratch guard off here, but I just have it placed on there now. But taking that off too is very easy. It just clips on. Helps keep the litter inside, and also helps your cat scrape off their paws a little bit too. I do honestly like the Litter Robot 3 guard better than this one, because this one is just a big piece of plastic, so your cat really doesn't have anything to really scratch much of on here because it's just smooth. The Litter Robot 3 has a thinner one, but it has ridges on it to where the cat can scrape it. So I like that better. That's the only thing that I like better about the Litter Robot 3 than the 4. But this is the main attraction right here, taking this thing apart to clean it. And all you have to do is take the dome off, 2 fingers, boom, there you go. This entire thing can get wet. You can power wash it, which I don't really recommend that, but it's really so simple to clean that you just take a hose to it, take some cleaner of your choice, some pet safe cleaner if you want to, scrub it out, let it rinse, turn it over, dry it off, use a little small leaf blower. I'll leave the one that I use in a link in the description. But that's it. Bottom part here, show you guys this. The only thing you need to clean with it is the bottom of the waste drawer inside of there. If there's any litter that spills over when you're emptying one of the waste drawers, or emptying the waste drawer, excuse me, that's the only thing you need to clean. This inside here, all you gotta do is wipe that down with a cloth or a sanitized wipe or something like that, because this isn't gonna get dirty at all. Just get a little dust on there from the cat litter dust. But that's it. That's how easy it is to clean this one. 2 steps instead of 8 with the Litter Robot 3. So let me put this back together for you guys, and then we will take this one inside and swap it out with the Litter Robot 3. Putting it back together here for you guys. Let's see how easy this thing is. Boom, drops into place. Snaps on. Drawer. Comes with your liners. Slide that right back into place. Boom. Let's throw our cover back on here.